Today, in this video, we will show you how to use Catalogue products in a WhatsApp chatbot. From the dashboard, go to the Bot Manager. Select the WhatsApp account and then navigate to Bot Replies. Click on the Create button. It will redirect you to the Visual Flow Builder. Give a name to the Start Bot Flow. Add a trigger and connect it to the Start Bot Flow. Double-click on the trigger and add keywords that will trigger the bot. You can add products to the interactive element. Let's add an interactive element and connect it to the Start Bot Flow. Double-click on it to configure. There are two types of headers, text and image. Choose the appropriate one for your needs. For instance, I am using header text. Then write the body text. The footer is optional. Within the interactive element, there is an option for e-commerce. Drag the connector from there and release it to obtain a catalog element. Double-click on the catalog element and select the catalog from the drop-down list. The catalog has two options, single and multiple. You can only add one product in the single option, while the multiple option allows for multiple products. But we cannot use both the single and multiple products simultaneously. Let's use multiple products. Double-click on the product section to give it a name. Each section can contain multiple products. Double-click on the product element and select the product from the drop-down list. Let's add another product section. You can rearrange them by clicking on the Rearrange button. Finally, save the bot. Let's test this bot on WhatsApp. This is how you can use Catalogue products in a WhatsApp chatbot.